Thank you all for being here today. So, today will be the first of the series of acronyms that I will be providing on this channel. So, we're going to title this Acronym of the Day. So, this is part one. How to remember that septic shock is a type of distributive shock. Now, there are four types of shocks. There's hypovolemic, where your heart is working fine, but it's just not enough blood volume coming into the heart for the heart to pump it out. Then we have distributive shock, which is where the heart is pumping well, but in the rest of your body, there's vasodilation. Cardiogenic shock is when your heart fails to pump the blood out, so there is decreased blood flow throughout your whole body. An obstructive shock is when your heart pumps well, but outflow is obstructed somewhere in your body. So that blood is unable to reach certain parts of your body. For those who didn't know, and I didn't mention this earlier, shock is simply when you have a decreased blood pressure literally all throughout your body. So as you can see, these different types of shocks all causes either less blood in your body or there's some kind of vasodilation that reduces the pressure in your body. Now, septic shock is a type of distributive shock. And for those who don't know, sepsis is simply a full body inflammation. Can be caused by many things, but we usually see it being caused by infections. In other words, it is everywhere in your body, right? Because it's a full body inflammation. And I spelled inflammation incorrectly over there. It's supposed to be two M's. So, like I said, it's a full body inflammation. So, in other words, it is everywhere in your body. Now, how do you remember this? The word distributive simply means to like distribute, right? Give things out, give it, share it. So, distribute something all over. So, think of sepsis as distributing inflammation all throughout your body. Now, these acronyms that I'll be sharing with you, the only way to like really use it effectively is to study it. I mean, you can't just if you don't study it for a long time, you might forget. But if you look at it like once in a while, it's gonna stick for so long. And if you ever see like let's say a question like this on the exam, right, where they're asking you if septic shock is a type of distributive shock, you will remember right away because you know your answer, right, or your acronym is inside the word itself, right? The word sepsis, right? So by looking at sepsis, you know it's a full body inflammation and it distributes the inflammation all over. So I hope this helps you guys, ladies and gentlemen, I should say. I will be sharing more acronyms that I know of. And overall, if you have any questions or if you have acronyms that you use yourself that is like very easy to remember and it's not something that's personalized only for you to remember, then feel free to share. And thank you all for watching.